So what do bunnies do for work, Josh?
They go work to computers.
Oh, bunnies work on computers. What do they do on the computers?
They ride on train.
Oh, they ride on the train and work on the computer at the same time?
Yeah.
What else do bunnies do?
They ride a new blue train just like Thomas.
Hmm.
Huh? Like we should. Like we should.
Where do the bunnies live?
Do the bunnies like to travel?
Yeah.
Where do they go?
They travel to train.
To trains?
From buffer to buffer. Okay?
Buffer to buffer, huh? Alright, that's good to know. So what else do you know about cows?
I like to eat bamboo. Oh, I can go scoot. Go scoot.
What are you building?
I'm building a bridge. I'm building a tunnel. Base!
You're building a bridge too?
Yeah, base. Okay, building
Good job.
a bridge.
That's a nice bridge you got there, Josh.
They got some lights. And they got some lights too. Got some lights here.
Guys,
So
you're
what do
good
horses
builders.
do, Josh?
We like to eat some hay.
What do horses like to talk about?
They like to talk about Thomas.
Who's Thomas?
Thomas is a blue engine.
Hmm.
He likes being useful.
He likes being useful.
He likes being useful engine.
What does Thomas usually do?
He has to go on steep about Gordon's Hill.
Oh, he likes to go up steep Gordon's Hill?
Yeah. It's kind of deep and wide.
Oh, it's deep and wide hill.
Deep and wide.
You gonna sing?
Deep,
What are you gonna
deep
sing?
and wide.
Deep and